Left-wing students protest against the governor. Left students blame saffronization against the governor. All right, let's listen to what is now being said by the left-wing students. There's unrest that is being seen on the streets of Thiruvananthapuram, where we see members of the left wing. These are students who are protesting against the governor. Shibi Mole has more on that. Shibi, what is going on at this point in time? Tell us a little more about the student unrest that we are seeing in Thiruvananthapuram.
Well, Sneha, the DY5, which is the youth wing of the ruling CPIM, is taking outside the Kerala University, and inside the Kerala University we have protest taken out by the AIS, which is the student wing of CPI. In fact, this is in the background of the ongoing issue with the governor of Kerala, Rajendra Arlekar, who is also the chancellor of universities. Now, there are certain issues that's being raised by the student union here. The most important one is regarding the appointment of the vice chancellors in the university. That out of the universities in Kerala, most of them, except for one university, all the other universities have temporary vice chancellors. So governor who is the chancellor, the allegation is that governor who is the chancellor of universities is appointing those with allegiance to the RSS as vice chancellor instead of making permanent appointments, is what the student union is alleging. The second issue is the Bharat Mata controversy that's been ongoing in the state for a while. It started off when governor, during a program at the Raj Bhavan, used a picture of Bharat Mata with holding a saffron flag. So seeing this, the ministers in the state boycotted the program, saying that symbols of RSS, photos used by RSS cannot be used for government programs, which led to a tussle breaking out between the governor and the state government. Later, when governor, who's the chancellor of universities, was attending a program at the Kerala University, a similar picture was spotted of a Bharat Mata holding a saffron flag. The SFI raised protest saying that this is saffronizing of the universities. We will not agree to it. We'll protest against the program. So following this huge protest took place at the Kerala University, the SFI activists tried to stop governor, who is the chancellor of universities, from entering and attending the program. Governor had to take another route and enter the campus, and he attended the program, following which the registrar of this university was suspended, saying that he allowed the protest to take place. So again, following that, SFI again took out the protest. So there are three issues mainly raised by the student union here against the governor, Rajendra Arlekar, who's also the chancellor of university, saying that with all these measures, with all these moves, he's trying to saffronize the universities.